Les Hamptons, ça vous tente?
Welcome to the Flying Point compound in beautiful Watermill, New York, located in the heart of the Hamptons. This property encompasses a main house, 2 guest homes, an art barn, a professional tennis court, 2 private docks on beautiful Mecox Bay, all adorned with award-winning landscaping. All of this is on the market for $20 million. Welcome to one of the focal points on the property. Recreated in 2012 by the owners, this barn encompasses reclaimed wood from the late 1800s and is one of the prime entertaining spots on the property. Let's take a look. This 9,300 square foot barn was recreated here on site and is a hole and peg system. Not a single nail was used in the construction of the dwelling. Here's the barn's main kitchen, with 2 oversized Sub-Zeros containing some of the property's proprietary apple cider built right here on site. These fridges are seamlessly integrated into the decor of the property here in the barn. The oven is very unique. This is an actual piece of art that doubles up as a kitchen top, a La Corneau imported from France itself. The kitchen also has 2 farm sinks as well as 2 Miele dishwashers to entertain. All your food for your event can be made right here, adjacent to your actual event and entertaining. You don't have to go back to the main house to lug all your food back. Adjacent to the barn is an oak leaf conservatory. Imported from England, it actually arrived here on site in 3 boxes and recreated right here. It can be used as some formal dining for the owners, especially when they're looking for a more intimate setting. With walls of glass, the idea was to bring the landscaping in. It feels like you're dining outside. Let's head up to the upstairs sitting room of the barn. Directly above the first level of the barn, we have an upstairs loft. If you're looking for more of a quiet, intimate experience, yet still maintaining that rustic motif, this is the place for you. Welcome to the fun zone. Here we are in the lower level of the barn. Full recreation, full service gym, as well as an entertaining area for all your guests. Now we're in a custom theater with a Richard Gray AV system fully integrated into the walls. You have a projection system with full surround sound. Whether it's a hot summer Hamptons day or it's pouring rain with the kids, there's no better place to be than in your own screening room to enjoy the weather. This is your own private gym and it's enormous. Bigger than an Equinox. This gym is large enough to have every possible piece of gym equipment you could ever want. Whether you bring your own private gym instructor down here or host your own spin cycle class on a Saturday, this is enormous. Down here we have a spa with not 1, but 2 massage rooms. After a night out in the Hamptons, there's no better place to revitalize. This is a real compound. In addition to the main house, you have not 1, not 2, but 3 guest cottages for all the guests that want to come and visit. Each one of them is unique in its own way. Let's go check them out. This guest cottage is just as luxurious as any other home you'll find in the Hamptons. This is the largest of the guest cottages. 2 stories and just shy of 3,000 square feet. You have your own kitchen, 2 full bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. This is not just a place to put your guests. This is another real home on the property that anyone would be grateful to stay at. A fully enclosed porch located right off the main living area in the guest cottage leads right out to all the formal gardens. One of the most sought after things here in the Hamptons is having a garden of this size. There are dozens of species of flowers grown here, available to be cut and brought to any event that you host at the house. This is one of the key features of world-renowned landscape architect Ed Hollander. He's won many awards with this design here. There's a lot of gardens in the Hamptons, but nothing compares with this one. This is the second guest cottage with a full kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. You're guaranteed to have happy guests living here on this property. With a comfortable back porch and centrally located on the property, you get beautiful views of the lawn as well as the pool. There's parking for literally dozens of cars here. Behind me is a 5-car garage in addition to another 2-car garage on the property. The driveway alone could fit over 20 cars. This structure redefines what a pool house is. Upstairs, we have a full studio, living quarters, as well as a proper kitchen. Down here, we have full dining overlooking the pool. And keep in mind, this is just one more place where you can really enjoy indoor-outdoor dining. Off the pool house is a full summer kitchen. When I say full, I mean it's more equipped than an indoor kitchen. What we have out here is a charcoal grill, a smoker, a gas grill, as well as a pizza oven. This is a grill master's dream. You can be cooking burgers, making pizza, you can do it all out here. The 3.8 acre property includes over 40 trees, some of which date back to the 1800s. Every inch of the property is meticulously landscaped and maintained to be beautiful and perfect, in season or out. Behind me is a 60 by 25 heated saltwater gunite pool with an attached spa as well. Having a heated pool really allows you to enjoy it, whether it's a chilly night in the summer or an extended season dip. Perfectly positioned off the pool is your own custom tennis court. Being a part of a tennis club in the Hamptons is one thing, but having your own private court in your backyard is the epitome of luxury. Any pro would be happy to play here, and I think many have. What's amazing about this dining room is this is one of 5 on the property, each more extravagant than the other. It might be hard to make a decision on where you're actually going to have a meal here on the property. To speak to the elegance of this room, many world leaders have dined at this table. This is one of my favorite rooms in the main house because there truly are so many different places to have a great conversation. Whether it's just you by yourself or hosting a massive dinner party, this place is comfortable yet intimate. This is the kitchen in the main house with an oversized center island, Viking range, 2 sub-zeros, 2 farm sinks, and a prep area in the back. Has everything you could want. The master suite is incredibly expansive, not just for sleeping quarters, but enough to have your own private office, gas fireplace, with views of the entire property, landscaping, and pool. There's even a flat screen TV that rises from the footboard to the bed that can seamlessly be tucked away if you don't want to use it. The TV even spins around, allowing you to view the television from any part of the room. I've been in a lot of homes, and what makes this one so special is having 6 structures, 3.8 acres, 2 private docks, all within walking distance to some of the Hamptons' most fabulous beaches. This property has everything that you and all of your guests could want. This could be yours for $20 million.